Hello, I'm Justin Smith, and I'd like to share a few more helpful hints for using NX composites. Here, I have a composite part with ply layers and regions defined. I'd like to add a cross-section to this part, so I select this plane here and click OK. You'll notice that the scale here is set to 1, so the displayed cross-section will be displayed with a scale of 1. When taking a closer look, the composite layers are very thin on the cross-section, and I have to zoom in to see the individual layers. Instead of doing this, I can change the ply scale so the layers are much more visible. The different colors of each layer represent different orientations of each ply layer. If I want to change these colors, I can go to Menu, Preferences, then Composites. This will bring us to the Composites Preferences, where I can change the line widths and orientation colors. I'll change this orientation color to green so it is easier to distinguish from other layers. Another useful tool when using composites is using the Show and Hide command, which can be quickly accessed with Ctrl-W. From here, I can show or hide any of the features that I need to. Next, I'll start a design station analysis. I can select a point on the part to analyze. The direction of the layup is indicated by the arrow from the point, and we can view information like number of ply layers, thickness at that point, and other information about each ply layer. When selecting a ply layer, the region that it's in is highlighted as you can see here. Once I have a design station complete, I can right-click on it in the Composite Navigator. I can then select information to get some additional information like this orientation table that shows the makeup of this part. If for any reason the model was rolled back or a composite region was deleted, like you can see here, the plies that are dependent on the composite region will become invalid since they no longer have a reference region. They will need to be reassigned a region to become valid again. In this case, I can redefine the composite region and assign them to the invalid plies. In this demonstration, I've added a cross-section view for a composite part and changed the orientation colors. I then performed a design station analysis to view some additional information about the component at a particular point. Lastly, I addressed ways to fix invalid ply layers. Thank you.